celebrations. 100 subscribers. Thank you very much, guys. It's not much, but you know, it's just that hard. So I thought I'd do a little bit of celebrate for everybody. Yeah. But anyway, appreciate all the support, guys. Yeah, welcome back to the Cheesy's channel. Cheesy's Customs, where it's at. And yeah, I thank you guys enough. Wicked. My first goal, 100. As me light goes out. Right down there. Yeah, appreciate the support. Big thanks to everybody that's got a t-shirt so far. We put the pre-order out 2 weeks ago. Finalised the orders 2 days ago. So they're getting made as we speak by a company over in SA in Barossa. So they should be some good quality t-shirts. Quality. Anyway, not like this one here. I thought I'd do the old cheapie, but no, it didn't work. So this is my work shirt now. It's good. But anyway, appreciate it. 100 subscribers. Like, share, subscribe. Tell your mates, tell your dog, tell your goldfish. I don't care. Anyway, keep coming back. Let's see what we've done. We finished the Gemini weekend last weekend. So that was all done and dusted. So we're back on the BUSA. But car show next weekend. Let's get rolling. Oh, a few things to do first. We'll have a look. Turn these fucking lights on again. Alright, so BUSA's back in. We've got the accelerator cable. All the wiring's pretty much hooked up. Besides, obviously, battery terminal, but gotta leave that off for those just in cases. We've got the radiator all plumbed up. Bit of a filler tape there. We're just gonna finish off the bottom hose. Exhausted all that. See that down there. The head of all that. All right, we're back on it, and we got our visitor. Hi, Jeph.
Hey.
Jeph is from
LHV Shop.
So go give it a lot. He's come over and dropped me parts off. Good man. He's just been up to all Jap Day, so he's yeah, come back from there. Is it raining up there?
It was actually pretty nice.
Pretty nice.
Surprised.
Cool. All right, awesome. So big shout out to Jeph for bringing my parts over, and go check out his YouTube channel because he's making some cool stuff too.
Some wagons, some more first gen stuff if you like Corollas.
Well, I did mention you building something tough, so yeah.
But also ourselves.
Well, anyway, big cheers to him. So we'll get back on to other bits and pieces. He's got to go roll because he's going to go out to dinner.
Hey guys.
All right, so big shout out to Jeph for dropping off my parts. Got me 110 stubs, PCDs for the front wheels, and big shockies. K20 shockies with disc brakes, so sweet. Again, another set of 110s. So I can make 2 sets. So at the moment, they're 114s, but I can't fit the 12-inch tires in the back. So, appreciate that. Thank you very much. So get onto his channel and give it a like. Oh, so, gotta love this lift. You know, get to sit down, work out this height. So, you gotta pull these 7 bits out. We don't need the disc, we don't need the caliper. Oh. No, we don't need the caliper. She'd be ripped. She might unsees herself. But yeah, basically you just need this centerpiece, the bearings, and these bits. Obviously just a 110. This is a 114. So 114 from here to here. 110 from here to here. Wicked. All right, let's start pulling parts. All right, wheels are on. Hubcaps are on. I'll put the brakes on a little bit later. I just want to get down on the ground. And we'll get Shambo to start her up because she hasn't started it yet. See what she thinks when he goes. Woo, anyway. Oh. So the old Chancellor in the caster. There you go there, Chandler. I don't know if she's going to be more excited or scared.
I don't know.
Oh, anyway. So we'll let her start it and then see what she thinks.
Yeah. It totally sounds like a Corolla. It's a bit smoky.
Hasn't been ran for 5 years. God.
You say my diesel's bad. You just want to compete.
Oh, that's the smoke coming out.
Oh, something's on fire.
Ah, it's the heat rack.
I don't know what's smoking worse, the front or the back.
And the next day, 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 and the
Hello, Cheesy's Customs here. We're at the 90 Specs Car Club, or car show. Christmas cars and chrome. Got the old Chancer here. I got camo. So we've got the cars here. Got the Busa. Busa's running. Diesel's running. Got Adam's Gemini. Got Mad Az over here. Killer. Anyway, we'll have a look around. I think Shan's already done a walk around. We'll have another look. I know that laugh. That's Jason. Jason's over there. He's got a unique laugh. You can hear him a kilometre away. See? Can't you hear Cheese? There's Jason over there. Well, here's Jason.
What's going on, y'all?
He's one of the promoters of this 90 spec car show.
Yeah, it's going off, eh?
So, how do you reckon this car show's going? I reckon it's going
Mate,
stupidly big.
I am absolutely flabbergasted as to the turnout, the difference in cars, and the people and the respect level. It's been amazing.
Did you see that TOY-BUSA though?
You know what? I didn't just see it. I saw it get a trophy.
Oh, apparently you got a trophy as well.
Hey,
Unreal.
hey.
I reckon that was rigged.
Definitely.
No, it's like a burnout car, it's rigged. Anyway.
Definitely wasn't.
But yeah, that's picked by the Mad Az, so yeah. It's,
The maddest, yeah.
Maddest.
And it's got maddest because it is the maddest choice of an engine in a vehicle.
The stupidest choice. Must have been
100%.
a drunk moment.
I don't believe that.
Anyway, we're going to keep walking and Jason keep talking to people.
Good to see you, brother. All good having nice shiny cars, but they're too shiny for me. You know, look at that pristine thing. Too shiny. Oh yeah, great day. It's a bit hot, but it's a great day. It's only a Ferrari. Alright, about to pick our trophy winner for the, what trophy did I pick out? Most unique.
Most unique. And if you see this thing, it's fucking unique. Fucking stupidly unique. Love it. Stupidly unique. Hey. Alright, so I picked this most unique car. And no one else in this fucking place here has got something unique. Fucking twin turbo. Well done, mate.
Thank you very much, compound turbo. Most unique.
Because he's like me. He just puts shit in fucking shit. Like, it's killer.
It's shit in shit.
I've got the Hayabusa on the roller. So.
I love it. I love it.
It's all good.
Okay, you give me the Hayabusa and I'll give you this.
No. No way in hell. But anyway, congratulations.
Epic,
It's,
thank you.
Yeah, it's something I'd build.
Love it. Thanks, guys.
Alright, Shano's won another trophy. Unbelievable. The old diesel Gemini has pulled out another trophy. Have a look at that. What trophy did you get, Shano? What did you get, Shano?
Cleanest car.
Who was that?
Second chance detailing.
Second chance detailing. So,
Yep. And I cleaned it myself yesterday. I was well
You did
enough.
too.
And I did it all myself.
only difference, we didn't have the mag. Oh, we had the mags changed
I
over.
forgot to ask if it was the rims that got it over. I don't want to know.
Why? Because we broke a valve.
Yay, number two.
So number two. Well done,
Two
baby.
for the diesel.
G'day legends, back again. It's 2 days after the event. 2 days, yeah, I think so. And yeah, I had to have a couple of days break because, you know, I had to put cars away and, you know, be excited about my new trophy. Who would have thought? A little Hayabusa. But the amount of people that came up and said, "G'day, how you doing?" Grabbed a sticker. Wow, overwhelmed. Overwhelmed. Thank you very much. Mad Az for the trophy. Rigged. Nah.
It is what it is. He chose a mad ass fucking car out there and the TOY-BUSA won it. Who else puts a fucking TOY-BUSA on a car? This guy. Anyway, yeah, so thank you for everybody. Appreciate it. Like, subscribe, get to the channel. Have a. But anyway, I'll leave it there. This should be the end of the video, hopefully. It's only taken 3 weeks. But anyway, cheers for coming. Next project. Oh, still got bits and pieces doing the TOY-BUSA, but you know, it is what it is. We'll get that driving soon. But we'll move on to something else now because something else needs to get rowdy. Very rowdy. I haven't started it since I built the pipe, so I'm getting back on it. Can't wait. See you then. Later.